Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change PDF font size in your PC. So for us to get started, I have this blank document right here. Let's go ahead and open our PDF file. So I'm going to do that real quick. Say for example this one, I'm going to open it. Now, take note that this is a PDF file, so if you have like a very complicated PDF file, it could basically destroy how this is going to look. But in my case, it's not the situation. So I can then go ahead and basically rearrange this. So in this case, what I have to do is try to arrange everything and put together, like combine them. I'm gonna copy this one, put it here. There you go. And I have to rearrange everything because somehow this is what is going to happen if you have, let's say, a PDF converted into Word. All right, so now I've put together all of them here, so we can then go ahead and get started. So let's try changing the font here. If we want to increase it, you can just go ahead and click this one right here, and ultimately it's going to start increasing the sizes of this also. Now that we have increased the size, we'll also have to rearrange where to put this. There you go. Now this is 16, so we're gonna do the same thing for the other 16 with the name 16, or let's up it to 18. And then you have behind it is this line here. Let's make it a bit longer, and you can do the same thing here. So if this is safe, let's just go and do 14. Same thing here. All right, so now that you're done here, go ahead and export this file as PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and put here new, click save, and there you go. So now it's a lot bigger compared to this one here. There you go, you see the difference. And that, everybody, is how you're going to change the PDF's font size.